Hello, and this is my game I've been making recently. I'm currently just trying to fix a fill color, but it's little cube. Go down, left, up. No, what I mean, down, right, up, left. You can like walk around, do stuff. Well, you can't really do stuff and just walk around. But what we can do now, because we've got X and Y, so these two. Oh yeah, I forgot. I wasn't recording properly when I was making all of this. It would have taken 11 minutes for you guys to watch, which is quite a bit. But I forgot to actually record the screen in OBS, so I was just recording audio and not the actual video, which is very sad. But anyways, from this we can keep building. So I'll get fill color, and I'll show you what I can do. This animate function here, you can like go ctx.fill rect, and then you can go like do coordinates and stuff, just the size of it, and then it appears. So I'm gonna make a little farm, and I'm gonna make an array. No, not an array. Whatever. Just called in curly brackets. I'm gonna go const. Let's make it a constant. I'm gonna go farm C, short for farm chords. Then, oops. If I go equal curly brackets, let's just go X, which will be not a good color. Never mind. So X will be canvas dot width divided by 2, and then Y will be canvas dot height divided by 3. So it's closer to the player, but still like it's gonna be like right dot bang there in the middle. So if we go here and then we go farm C dot X, that's going to be for the X axis. We have to go farm C dot Y, that's going to be for the Y axis. You can save, reload, and there's a farm. Now I'm just going to turn it into a different color, but as you can see, go on. But currently, as you can see, this one is loaded afterwards. Whatever is loaded at the very end will overlap anything that's loaded earlier. So we'll just move the player above the farm. So when this color, you can actually tell that the player is actually there, and you won't like think he's lost or something. But when he's really just underneath the thing. I don't know if you can hear, but my computer's making really high-pitched noises. But 1 second, and I'll figure out how to do the color, because I haven't figured it out yet. Okay, I just searched it up, because I got lost. If you go ctx, which is my thing up here, dot fill style. So it's really close, but I didn't get it. And then if I go, for example, blue, I'm pretty sure, but these will become blue. You see? Blue. So if I change this to, let's go up here to the farm C, and let's go C for color. So C will be brown. It's a normal color for a farm without anything like actually growing on it. And then if we go down here and go farm C dot C, which is the colors, it will all become brown. But we want the player to be black, so you can like see it from a background and the other thing. So ctx dot fill style equals, let's go black, so it stands out. There you go. And just to prove my point, because this is loaded after that, it's above, and vice versa. So now we should add detection. So when the key down function to detect like movement and stuff, we should make something that detects if your x and y axes are equal to the farm. So go if x is greater or equal to farm c dot x, then let's go console dot log. It's our log here in the console. Let's go in farm area. Let's see if it works. So when we're equal, or yeah, there we go. And stops, goes, stops, goes. And now if we go here, go and, that's an and function. So like if you had two switches, you'd have to detect if both of them are on, not just one of them. And if we go x is smaller or equal to farm c dot x, because it's 60 blocks wide, we'll go plus 60, and then let's just go down, and then go here, that's odd. If x is smaller or equal to farms c dot x plus 60, let's just take x, 235, parser, x, yeah, it increases. So let's just get rid of this bit first here, and then comment that out, then only do this bit. I don't want this bit to be commented out. So now we're in the farm area because we're this van are equal to it. When does it begin? Okay, when you are touching it by a singular pixel, it will detect you. And now if we give it to this, choose this bit, it will now not detect you, which is odd. Let's comment out the bottom bits and hope for the best. So now if we, oh yeah, that's because I add double and. Now let's just see where it begins. There's a beginning of the center. So this begins when you're in the center of it. So if you do some math, you would need minus 60. So if you go over here, comes to x minus 60, and then get this bit back, and then now if we go down to go with y-axis, just so it's easy to see, and then go through. That's interesting. Single pixel on this side, a few pixels, 10 maybe 15 pixels away. So let's go to 50 and see if that's good. I'm gonna just change the Y to 0 soon so you can see. Okay, quicker. And farm area, there we go. That's perfect. So we won't even need to, because it's text and a single pixel. Then copy and paste this for the y-axis. Control V, get rid of this extra parentheses. Change this to Y. Change this to Y as double and here. 7, 7. Now if I check it, it should work perfectly, I hope. So we're all going down. That is very, very wrong. If we just give it these, so it's smaller than, okay, now if we just go down, 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 and touch it, that is, oh, so it actually starts from the top this time. So if I'm, oh, plus 60. I just want to check if Y is smaller than fam.c.x. So no, if Y is bigger. Why is fam.c? Oh, that's why everything's wrong. I kept it as X, not Y. Because X is side to side, Y is there. So now, yeah, it's center. So bring back the bit from before. Control Y to get that bit back. Change these to Y. Because it's a y-axis that we're checking. Oh yeah, also, please subscribe. I have around 80. Okay, there we go. And I will make sure that I will actually post for the next few days. So every day in this week to this week Sunday, which is in, what's the dates? Four days until we will until I'll hopefully post again. But I'll be posting once a day for each of those days, and I will be posting. So yeah, please subscribe and like, because it really helps me continue posting. Yeah, makes me want to post, and yeah. Well, now I think, yeah, this is good. So it works perfectly. Now if we go to this first, and then go minus like 20, and go minus 20, because as you can now see the scroll wheel is gone, because you can't scroll anymore, except for one thing that's different, is it ends a little bit higher and a little bit more left on this side. Now let's add collisions, and then that'll be enough for today. So we'll go down, let's go / collisions. That's a comment, so I can just check to find it quickly. And we go x is 0, x is -5, x equals 0, and then let's just, I'll do it again and again. and I'll come back afterwards. Okay, I've just finished and I'm gonna check with you guys if it works. So, left, it works, up, it works. Now let's go to very right and see if it works. Oh, it doesn't. That's not good. So if x is greater or equal to canvas dot width plus 5, x equals canvas dot width. So let's just go canvas dot width. Now, if we just check. Wait, if we just go full screen, just to test it. Because sometimes it works on full screen instead of like normal. Okay, now if we test it, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it is like a little bit weird. So if we go canvas dot width minus, how wide is it, play 50? No, I mean plus 50. Yeah, minus. No test it. Okay, we're there. Where'd it go? Yeah, it just disappeared. X minus 50 minus 55. Now when we go over there, it won't delete me, hopefully. And yep, there's now a collision, so that side. Now let's just check the bottom. If the bottom is good, then yeah, we'll be very happy. It is the exact same as the other one. So if we go, which one is it? This one. Minus 50 minus 55. This will be checking that if y is greater than the height of this game, minus 50, it will set the height to negative, at the height minus 55, and it works. Yes. A, and then the top, W, very right. So we've already tested that. So now, I think that's all we should do for today. And tomorrow we're going to be adding shopping and farming. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and comment your ideas for the game. And goodbye.